Struggling to find a way to enjoy delicious hot pot meals at home without the hassle? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Food Party Electric Hot Pot. The Food Party Electric Hot Pot caught my eye right away. Priced at $71.86, this pot offers a dual-sided design, allowing you to satisfy everyone's taste at once. If you want to host a fun and diverse hot pot gathering, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-quart capacity means you can easily feed a small crowd, making it perfect for family meals or gatherings with friends. The dual-sided feature is a lifesaver, letting you cook a spicy broth on one side and a milder option on the other. Plus, with 1200 watts of power, it heats up quickly, so you won't be waiting long to dig in. The non-stick surface also means that cleanup is a breeze, which is a huge plus after a long meal. With over 1,000 sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving this hot pot. Now, some people complained about its weight, stating it's a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, if you need a stable hot pot that won't tip over easily during your dinner party, that extra weight might not be such a bad thing. It feels sturdy and reliable. This is perfect for you if you're looking to host hot pot nights with family or friends who have different taste preferences. Skip this one if you're cooking for just 1 or 2 people, as the size might be more than you need. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger gatherings or specific flavor needs. Product number 2: FGJ Dual-Sided Electric Hot Pot. Next up is the FGJ Dual-Sided Electric Hot Pot, available for $73.14. What caught my attention here is the 1500W fast heating feature that gets your broth bubbling in no time. If you want quick cooking and the flexibility to cater to different tastes, this pot deserves your attention. With a generous 6-liter capacity, this hot pot can handle family dinners with ease. The rapid heating means you can go from fridge to feast faster than you thought possible. The dual-sided design ensures that you can enjoy a spicy broth on one side while keeping things mild on the other. This way, everyone gets exactly what they want. Plus, the non-stick surface makes for easy cooking and cleaning, which is always a win in my book. Given its high ratings and 1,000+ sales recently, it's clearly resonating with buyers. However, some users mention that the temperature control could be more precise. Now, I get that this might be frustrating if you're particular about your cooking temperatures. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, you can adjust according to your preference, making it a minor issue for most cooks. This is perfect for you if you enjoy hosting big family dinners or parties where flavor variety is key. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact for solo meals. In terms of value, you really get a lot for your money here. Now, if the food party's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3: SENS CHEF Electric Hot Pot. The SENS CHEF Electric Hot Pot is next, priced at $71.86. I was intrigued by its promise of even heat distribution, no cold spots. If you're looking for consistent cooking, this one is definitely worth considering. With its 1500W power, it achieves rapid heating and ensures that everything cooks evenly, which is crucial for a great hot pot experience. It's also designed for families, accommodating 2-4 people comfortably. The 4-foot power cord offers flexibility in placement, making it convenient to use on any table. Plus, the 1-year warranty offers peace of mind, showing confidence in the product's durability. This model has also been a popular choice, with over 1,000 sold in recent weeks. However, some consumers did point out that the pot could be a little tricky to clean due to its size. I'll be real with you, the non-stick surface helps a lot, but if you don't have a big enough sink, it might not fit comfortably for washing. That said, if you're careful while cleaning, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you prioritize even cooking and a solid warranty. Skip this if you need something ultra-compact for a small kitchen. Overall, it's a solid investment for the price. Alright, so if the last product's cleaning concerns made you hesitate, the next one might be just the portable solution you need. Product number 4: OVE&TE Electric Hot Pot and Grill Combo. Next, let's look at the OVE&TE Electric Hot Pot and Grill Combo, which is priced at a budget-friendly $37.44. It's a multifunctional device which I found really impressive. If you want versatility in your cooking, this one should be on your radar. Powered by a 1200W fast heating element, this hot pot not only simmers and boils but also grills. You can make everything from shabu shabu to Korean barbecue, making it perfect for all types of Asian cuisine. The adjustable temperature control lets you tailor your cooking for various ingredients, ensuring your meals come out just right. Plus, it comes with free accessories like chopsticks and tongs, which is a nice touch for anyone just starting out. With over 1,000 sold recently, it shows that people appreciate this level of versatility. On the flip side, some reviewers noted that the pot isn't removable, which can be a hassle for cleaning. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a budget option and don't mind a little extra effort in cleanup, this is a minor trade-off for what you get. This is perfect for you if you want a compact solution for cooking multiple dishes at once. Skip this if you're looking for a larger capacity pot for big gatherings. For the price, you really can't beat the variety of functions it offers. Now, if you need something even more portable for quick meals, take a look at our final product. Product number 5, AudiCook Portable Electric Hot Pot. Last on our list is the AudiCook Portable Electric Hot Pot, priced at $53.86. This little pot is designed for those who need something truly portable. If you're looking for a travel-friendly hot pot, this is one to consider. With a 2-liter capacity, it's great for quick meals and smaller servings, whether you're in a dorm or camping. The dual power control allows you to switch between low and high settings, making it versatile enough for everything from ramen to frying. The non-stick coating ensures easy cooking and cleaning, which is perfect when you're on the go. Plus, the compact size means it fits easily in tight spaces. Given its growing popularity, it's clear that it meets the needs of those who prioritize portability. However, users have mentioned that the smaller size might not be suitable for larger meals. Now, this could be a deal breaker if you're frequently hosting, but if you're cooking for one or two, the compactness is a huge advantage. This is perfect for you if you need something mobile for quick, hassle-free meals. Skip this if you often cook for groups, as its capacity may not meet your needs. Overall, it's a good value for individuals or couples. Now, let's wrap everything up with a quick comparison of these hot pots. So to quickly compare, the Food Party and FGJ models both offer great sizes for family gatherings, but the FGJ heats a bit faster. The SEN-SCHEF is perfect for even cooking, while the OVE&TE gives you versatility at an unbeatable price. Lastly, the AudiCook is your go-to for portability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the FGJ dual-sided electric hot pot because of its quick heating and large capacity, making it ideal for any gathering. I'd suggest avoiding the AudiCook if you need something for larger meals. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.